Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today my husband's going to show you the fender that he installed on his Slingshot.
Stealth 1.5 rear fender for the Slingshot. The actual rod itself is made from a couple old aluminum arrows. Actually, they were bolts from a crossbow that I had. I took a plumber's cutting tool and a tubing cutter and just trimmed them off to the length that I wanted, and then I put it in a vise and squeezed the ends, crushed the ends down, and then rounded them off, smoothed them up, drilled holes in them, and you can see how I mounted them on the fender and then to the body.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.